In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a LiveBinders shelf in your Google site. I have my LiveBinders tips and tricks shelf that's public, and I want to embed it. So I'm going to click on Options, Embed, and in the pop-up box, I have several options. First, number of binders to show at once, the style list, title small, title large, how I want it sorted, most recent, alphabetical, most least viewed, most useful, newest. Do I want the latest update to show? And the width and height that I want my shelf to appear. I'm going to click on Get Code, and LiveBinders has provided the URL embed code in the bottom section. I'm going to copy that. I'm now going to go over to my Google site, and I'm going to select the page I want to work with. And then to embed, I'm going to click on Insert, and in the second row at the top on Embed. Then, since I was given the URL code, I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to insert it. And there is my shelf. I'm going to increase the length here so more of my binder shelf will show. Now I want to see how it's going to look published. So I'm going to go up here to Preview. And this is how it will look on a computer, on a tablet, on a phone. And that's how you embed a LiveBinders shelf on your Google site.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.